You're looking live at a view of the moon from a camera mounted on one of Orion's 4 solar array wings. It's no secret that today is our closest approach to the moon throughout the Artemis 2 mission and our lunar flyby. I'll give you a little preview of what you can expect today ahead of the crew's daily planning conference. The crew has about 6 hours allotted to make observations about the moon, and their activities have been timelined. There are 5 blocks of time during which the crew will be observing the moon through Orion's windows. At any time, we have 2 crew members working at the windows in a pair. One will be taking photos and the other one will be making annotations, and they're both going to be making audio recordings of what they are seeing. Halfway through that block, those 2 crew members at the windows will swap roles and positions. Meanwhile, the other 2 crew members not at the windows will be serving in the background as support. One will be conducting science situation reports and call down a few times each hour to discuss what they're observing. The other support crew member will take pictures of the astronauts at the windows and serve as camera support, including swapping out new SD cards as needed. Between those observation blocks, there's a 15-minute time frame during which the 2 support members switch places with the crew making observations at the windows, so everyone gets a chance to see the moon today. During 2 of the blocks, 2 crew members will take turns eating their midday meals. We're also looking forward to seeing an eclipse today. This crew will be the first to see an eclipse from the far side of the moon. If the past couple of days have been any indication, we expect to get great reports from the crew about what they're seeing. They've been training for this day with the science team for years.
Integrity, we're talking. Integrity, we are just finishing off a couple of downlinks. It'll be a couple minutes, and we'll be ready to be on board with you soon.
Sounds good.
That's Capcom and CSA, Canadian Space Agency astronaut Jenny Gibbons, Artemis 2 backup crew member, replying to NASA astronaut Reed Wiseman. You heard him mention a specific video, and we will not only have video outside the spacecraft today, but we also anticipate seeing the crew inside the spacecraft as they are taking photos. This is a visualization of the Orion spacecraft. You can track this anytime for yourself at nasa.gov/track-Artemis. Again, the crew is completing their post-sleep period of the day. They were woken up this morning.
Integrity Houston, we are go for the HHP stream when you're ready.
The crew was woken up this morning by the song Good Morning by Mandisa and Toby Mack. They then heard a message from Apollo astronaut Jim Lovell, recorded prior to his passing, welcoming them to his old neighborhood. We're standing by for the daily planning conference, and we look forward to seeing the crew soon.
Integrity, we are on board with you.
This view inside the Orion capsule. 4 crew members getting ready to fly around the moon, the first humans to do so in over 50 years.
Good morning, Houston, from inside Integrity, 215,049 miles away from Earth and 12,712 miles from the moon. Let's actually savor the calm delay that we have. We're ready for the morning DPC.
Beautiful. We are savoring it down here. Good morning, Integrity, and good morning, Moon. Our room is buzzing with moon joy today, and I imagine yours is too. I have a few items related to flyby and then a few items for things further afield. Here we go. I will roll through them all. First off, we are looking forward to having science follow up with your observations as required on Orion to Earth throughout the flyby. Today, you will pass the Apollo 13 record distance at the end of the pre-lunar flyby conference. We are planning to call you with milestone words at that point at the end of the conference. not later in the allocated PAO time on Optimus. That will be your opportunity to share your thoughts to celebrate the occasion. As of now, we have one more liquid toilet use left until we hit our nominal limits, and then we will talk about what to do about it more soon. On that note, we're always looking for feedback. So Christina, if you had a chance to review that CCU use message that we mentioned in the mission summary, we'll take it. And finally, we want you to know that after yesterday, the entry folks are talking about allotting additional time for entry prep, including cabin config. It's not related to today's operations, obviously, but it is going on, so you can plan for more on that tomorrow as we focus on the flyby today. That's all I have for you for now. What do you have for me?
Thank you, Jenny. That's good to hear because we were thinking the same thing. It's great to know that our minds are working the same. We are ready to go. We are looking forward to working with and for the science team, and we are just excited to be so close to finally accomplishing what we've been training for so many years. And also, we want to say thank you for that really special message from Jim Lovell. We have a pretty neat